Spheres can be created in SOLIDWORKS as a solid or surface geometry. This can be achieved by using a single sketch and a single feature. To create a solid sphere in SOLIDWORKS, use the Revolve Boss Base feature. This will result in a solid geometry that has a mass. Start by creating a new sketch. Draw a circle with a line intersecting directly through the centre and trim one side away. Alternatively, draw a 3-point arc. Create a Revolve Boss Base and set the direction angle to 360 degrees. The workflow is exactly the same for generating a surface sphere. However, rather than using Revolve Boss Base feature, you will want to use a Revolve Surface feature. This will result in a surface geometry that is infinitely thin and has no mass.